All right, for this activity, it's you and your calculator. And I just found a picture of a pretty pink calculator I found online. Mine at home is red, but I do have the TI-84 Plus CE, which is the color model. But that's a pretty pink one. And then I zoomed in on the buttons that we will need for this. We are calculating let's see, the inverse cosine of 0.7. Okay. If you look on your calculator, let me go, I think yellow will show up good. We'll try and see. Right here, if you look at this button, it says cosine on it, but then above it you can see COS -1. But that COS -1 is in blue print. You can also see a green letter F. This one button that has the COS on it, so this button here, if you just press the button, it'll do cosine. If you want it to do what's written in blue, you have to come up here and hit the blue second button first. And then when you hit cosine, it'll do what's ever in blue. If you want it to do what's ever in green, you'd have to hit the green alpha button and then the cosine button, and it'll actually just display a letter F on this one. So that's what we're going to have to do. We are going to have to type in or hit your second button. Then you're going to come down and hit your cosine button so that it will calculate the inverse cosine, and then just tell it what you want, and our number is a -0.7. In order to type in, let me get you another color here. In order to type in this negative sign, you have to hit this button here. That's your negative button. Do not hit the subtraction sign. It'll give you a syntax error message. And then the last button you're going to hit is the enter button down at the bottom, which is right here, enter. And then when you do that, I already did this on my calculator, I got 2.346193823, but this said to round your answer to 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. The 1 is in the 4th decimal place, but because the next number is 9, this becomes 2.3462. Your 1 will go up to a 2. And I already typed that in and got the green box, 2.3462. And that's you and your calculator. And make sure your calculator is in radian mode.